What's going on, YouTube? It's been a little bit. It's your boy here, Gabe from the Ford MX. Today we got a sick video in hand. As you can see, we're down at Supercross track because it's real cold outside. So today we are going to be ripping this track. I'm going to give you a little run through what we got going on, show you the bike. The bike is absolutely sick. I've never introduced this bike before, but yeah, we back. I'm freaking hyped, and yeah, it's gonna be sick. Let me just give you a rundown real quick. All right, so real quick, we're using the GoPro. You're on my chest today. It's gonna be real sick. But real quick, it's a one lane, it's gonna be a one round go. So you're gonna be going this way using your right hand to ride the bike. But we got a split lane right here. So you're gonna go right here, right along. And then we got this cool little thing to where if you're in this lane, you're gonna cut over right here and go into that lane. You're gonna like jump across right here. Should be pretty sick. Then we designed it right here to where you're split like that. You're gonna go along nice and evenly along through. We got Matty riding as well today. And then we just got this cool little slide turn and back to it. So it should be pretty sick, and yeah, pretty hyped. And now let me just introduce the bike real quick. All right, guys, so today, great, super excited bike to introduce to you guys, but this right here is the 250 version. Pretty sure it's 2004 Travis Pastrana replica RM 252 stroke. This was one of his race bikes before he retired racing. It's the full Sobi Suzuki factory race bike. 252 stroke. Super excited to ride this bike. I've rode it here and there, but yeah, I think you guys would absolutely love this bike. I think I'm gonna do a shootout with it, but yeah, it's really dope. And yeah, let's get to riding. Before we start, I wanted to just announce that this track is a lot bigger than before. Before it was around 12 feet, now it's around 20 feet long. Should be really fun and exciting, and yeah, let's get into it.
Let's go. Oh, again. Oh, what am I doing?
You could do that. It's gonna be a scratch. Oh, I'm a quick cross.
Ah, always get there.
Oh, yeah.